Hello everyone. In this video we are doing question answers of the poem Pied Piper of Hamelin. Comprehension question number A. Answer the following questions. 1. Describe the location of Hamelin town. Answer. Hamelin town is in Brunswick territory in the Hanover city. The southern side of the city is surrounded by the Weser River. Question number 2. What was the cause of worry of the residents of Hamelin town? Answer. The residents of Hamelin town were worried because of the rats which created a nuisance all over the city. The rats fought with the dogs, killed the cats, bit babies, ate cheese and soup and small fish from the containers, opened the beer containers, made nests inside the men's hats, and disturbed the conversation of women with their shrill sound. Question number 3. Why did the townsfolk approach the mayor? Answer. The townsfolk approached the mayor so that he could take some steps to rid the people of the menacing rat. Question number 4. What deal did the mayor strike with the Pied Piper? Answer. The mayor agreed to pay 1,000 euros to the Pied Piper, a man with a golden flute who promised to rid the city of the rats. Question 5. How did the Pied Piper get rid of the rats? Answer. The Pied Piper went out on the street and played his flute. He played shrill notes such that it attracted all the rats. All the different kinds of rats who were hiding at various corners in the city came out in the streets and started following the piper, who slowly walked toward the Weser River. The rats went into a kind of trance following the tune and then flung into the river and got drowned. Question number 6. Identify the rhyme scheme of the poem. Answer. Tennyson uses uneven meter and mixed rhyme scheme in the poem instead of a uniform scheme. At certain places, ABBA is used, and at other times, AABB is also noticed in the rhyme scheme. Question number B. Answer the following questions with reference to context. 1. To see the townfolk suffer so from vermin was a pity. Question A. When did the incident take place? Answer. The incident took place nearly 500 years ago. B. Which town did the townsfolk belong to and why was it a pity to see them suffer? Answer. The incident took place at the town of Hamelin in Brunswick. It was a pity to see the townsfolk since many rats were creating all sorts of menace in their daily life activities. Now see, use the word vermin in a sentence of your own. So here I have written one sentence, but you can change it according to you. The farmers faced a huge loss as their crops were damaged by the infesting vermin. Context number 2. And ere 3 shrill notes the pipe uttered, you heard as if an army muttered, and the muttering grew to a grumbling, and the grumbling grew to a mighty trembling. Question A. What did the pipe utter? Answer. As the piper played his flute, he uttered 3 shrill notes. Question B. What do the words muttering, grumbling, and rumbling indicate? Answer. Muttering means softly spoken words. Grumble means to protest. And rumbling signifies a series of long, deep sounds. In this context, muttering refers to the sound of the flute, which was first heard as the muttering of an army. Gradually, this sound got amplified as the rats came out in the streets in large numbers and To signify the amplification, words like grumbling and rumbling have been used. Question C. What happened after the rumbling? Answer. After the rumbling, all the rats who were hiding in the city of Hamelin came out into the streets and followed the piper dancing to the tune of his flute. As the piper approached the Weser river, they all followed him step by step, plunged into the river, and got drowned. Context number 3. Followed the piper for their lives. From street to street he piped advancing, and step for step they followed dancing until they came to the river Weser. Question. Who followed the piper? Answer is all the rats followed the piper. Now question B. Why and how did they follow him? Answer. The piper cast a magical spell on the rats through the notes of his flute. Therefore, as he played the flute, the rats could not resist themselves and came out in the streets and started following him. They danced to the tune of his flute and followed him step by step. Now last question, number C. What happened to them at River Weser? Answer. At the River Weser, all the rats jumped into the river and drowned themselves. Here, spelling of Weser should be W-E-S-E-R. By mistake, it is W-I-S-E-R.